Hi guys and girls, so glad you are watching again. In this shared episode, 194 divided by 194, which equals 1, and 194 divided by 194 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 194 divided by 194 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 194 divided by 194, and we can write this part as 1 over 194 divided by 194. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 194 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 194, which equals 1 over 37,636. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share the good videos.